Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. Today, children, in grammar, we will read about the sentences that is given in chapter 1. So, before knowing about the sentence, we should know about the letters and the words. So, what are letters? So, letters in English alphabet. We are going to study English grammar. So, we should know about the English alphabet. So, how many letters are there? In English alphabet, you all might be knowing. So, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. 26 letters in English alphabet, out of which there are 5 vowels. Okay, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So 5 letters and the rest 21 letters like B, C, D, F till Z. Okay, leaving A, E, I, O, U. How many are there? 21. So what are they known as? They are known as consonants. Okay, they are known as consonants. Now children, you might be thinking, okay, why we are knowing about the letters here? Because for the sentence to be formed, we need words. Okay, we need a group of words. Now what are words? These words, they are formed from the letters. Okay, the letters, and those letters also, they should be in the correct order. Okay. So when I write B, C, D, so these are also letters. Does it make any sense? B, C, D, does it make any sense? No, it does not make a sense. So is it a word? This is not a word. Now I'll explain you. Like suppose I write C, T, A. These are 3 letters. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters of English alphabet. Does it make any word? It also does not make any word, because when I say CTA and tell you think about the CTA, then you will start thinking what is the CTA? You are not able to understand. Now when I arrange these letters, okay, like CAT, now I tell you to think what it is. Then you will say Miss Cat. Okay. That means this has made a word. C-A-T, cat. Okay, so this is a cat and this is made by arranging the letters properly, which has made a sense. Okay, so this is a word. Now, suppose here, this is we will now read about the sentence. So what is a sentence? So these letters, these words, when they are put in correct order, they make a sentence. If I write here, is boy he a. Now this is a word. Is a word. Boy is also a word. He is also a word. And a is also a word. Okay. Now in this, do you understand what I want to say? Is it making sense? The group of words, is it making sense when you see? Then it is not making a sense. Okay, the words, they are not making a sense. Now when I write it in a correct order, when I arrange this and put it in correct order, what I will write? He is a boy. Okay, he is a boy. Now when I tell this sentence, you will understand that this is making a sense, complete sense, that he is a boy. Milk, drink, drinks, cat. Oh, okay. here also you see, these are the words. Are they in proper order? Does it make any sense? No. Now what I will do, I will arrange it. A cat drinks milk. Now it is making sense. Okay, the group of words arranged in proper order making sense is known as sentence. Okay, so this is group of words making sense, and that is making a sentence. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So you will write about the definition of a sentence, that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay. Now we will note the points what we should see for a sentence. So a sentence, it should start with a capital letter. Okay, the sentence should start with a capital letter, and sentence can end with a full stop. A sentence can end with a question mark. Like when I say, where are you going? Okay, where are you going? Now what you see in this? Here you see that the sentence has started with a capital letter and there is no punctuation mark over here. So which punctuation mark will I put here? If I put here full stop, the sentence will become wrong. So for this I will have to put question mark. So the sentence has started with a capital letter and ended with a question mark. So this is interrogative sentence talking about asking a question. Okay. Now a sentence can end with exclamation mark also. What a beautiful painting. What a beautiful painting. Now here what I will put? Here another punctuation mark, that is exclamation mark. Okay, what a beautiful painting. So this is exclamation mark, and this sentence, it shows the surprise. So the exclamatory sentence, at the end of the exclamatory sentence, we put exclamation mark. This is exclamation mark at the end of the exclamatory sentence. And these type of sentences, they show our strong feelings of surprise, happiness, or when we are sad. Okay. So what we have read today, children? So today we have read about the sentence. And to make a sentence, what do we need? To make a sentence, we need words. And those words should be arranged properly to make sense, to make a complete sense. So the words in a sentence should be placed in proper order to make sense. Suppose when I write, saw a snake eye, that does not make any sense. But when I arrange those and write, I saw a snake, then that means that is a proper sentence. Okay. A sentence, it begins with a capital letter. Sentence, when you will write, you have to start the sentence with a capital letter. When you write it with a small letter, your sentence will become wrong. So you have to write it with a capital letter, and it should end with either full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, so these points we have to keep in mind about the sentence. Okay, a sentence should have a verb also. So here you can see it has verb like where are you going, are and going. So it should have a verb. It should have a noun, means a subject also should be there. Okay, for a sentence to be completed in a proper manner. So thank you children. I think you might have understood.